Hey everybody, how's it going? Let me show you what we got going on right now. We've been working on this house for quite some time, doing a pretty extensive remodel. We've been doing the siding, showed you guys a couple videos on that. We did the cement board siding, but now we're updating their deck. And so we're not doing anything structural. We are filling in, see where the new boards are. That area there, that was just an open hole. There used to be a tree there a long time ago, and they kind of just built the deck around. That tree's been gone forever. So we filled that in, and we're just cleaning this up. We're going to replace whatever boards we need to, add joist hangers, all that normal fun stuff. And we're going to add the joist tape to help protect this and hopefully have this last another 20 plus years. And then these posts here, we're going to wrap them with a PVC that looks like wood. And we're going to remove the rails. The rails are getting replaced altogether. And you'll see all of that. But that's what we got going on today. Starting to put this back together. Add blocking and all that other kind of stuff.
Hey, I just said that we were going to cover the PVC posts and just wrap them in PVC. After further looking at those, we decided with the homeowner that they weren't sturdy enough. It was pretty much just the PVC sitting on those, and there was nothing inside the PVC that was adding any stability. So we actually decided to cut those off, and you'll see those either in this video or the next video. And the homeowner decided that they're just going to go with a metal railing. So that's that for the post for now. And what you see me doing here is adding blocking, and you might see me adding some sister joists. So whoever built this deck did not do a good job. There's always wear and tear, and the house shifts, the deck might shift, but you can measure from one joist spacing on one side to the other, and some of them were 1.5 inches apart, and that's obnoxious. So we had to add some sister joists in there so that the spacing was no more than 16 inches on center. And blocking here that you see me doing right now, you want your blocking to be between 4 and 6 feet apart. And these joists here in between each one of these beams is about 12 feet. So I'm splitting the difference, and just this alone, we haven't even put the deck boards on yet, obviously, and just doing this is like adding amazing strength to this deck. When we tore the old deck boards off and we're walking across these joists, the whole thing was like watching like a real long bridge over water, just real wavy and like shifting all over the place. So I don't know who did this deck originally. It's old, and times change and maybe things are different, but it wasn't acceptable for today's standard. So I'm just going to be putting in blocking, and right now I'm centering. Even the beams aren't, nothing's square also. So one side might be 119.5 inches, and the other side's 120 inches. And so I'm basically just finding center on one side, center on the other, and taking my chalk line and to find the best center across the whole area there, so that I can get these blocks lined up as best as I can. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll be doing more on this deck. We're gonna, be going all the way through, finishing, putting in the blocking. We're also gonna be putting in new joist ends, and then we are gonna cover the bottom posts with PVC to give that a new look. But when we're going to cover doing the deck boards, the new rails up top, all that kind of fun stuff. And if you want to see how that all comes together, like and subscribe, and we'll be having more videos for you soon. Thanks for watching.